What up, guys? It's Tricky Spike here, and I was coming to inform you today again about the Wii and who's going to be playing. First of all, you already know I'm going to be playing this coming sense, and my cousin Ray Coin, he's going to be playing with me. We was finna play last week. I was finna upload the video, but he was like, nah, he don't like that one. He liked that one. He said he was gonna do it next weekend, but we was playing the Wii all weekend, and one problem was that we didn't have like enough battery. Well, we had batteries. We just didn't. The batteries were low, so we had to get some more. He didn't feel like being no uploading the video with me, and he said he was gonna do it next weekend. So yeah, and you might hear some noise in the background. If you do, this is the noise, cause they're clean. I mean not cleaning, but they're remaking the porch. As you can see here, my house. Oh, where is that? As you can see here, they're remaking the part right here, because it used to just be this stuff right there. The railing used to be that stuff right there, and yeah. And you might hear some stuff in the background where that banging sound like a motor and stuff. Hey Patches, here's my cat. You came all the way over here, and you got mosquitoes on your ear. Hey Patches, come here. Where you going? Hey, good girl. There she is. Mosquitoes. She don't like when I blow at her. She starts to walk away and run. There she go. Hey girl. Say hey to the camera while you rolling around. Yeah, so you wanna play, don't you? You wanna play, don't you? You wanna play, don't you? Oh, you probably can't. Alright, there she go. Don't you wanna play? You wanna play, don't you? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Yeah, I don't wanna play no more. You tired. Tired. Good girl. And also, by the way, this is the girl. So if you want to know, yeah. She's not as playful as she used to be. So, oh, here's my basketball. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna get that in a minute. Where you going? You scared of my shoes? Huh? Scared of my shoes? Where you going, Patches? Where you going? Don't go in the car. Not the car. Where you going? Scary cat. But yeah. I'm gonna be showing you some videos of the Wii. I would do Mario Kart, but I just can't find it. I don't know where it's at. Might be doing some Mario Party 8. I don't have 10. I don't have 10. I didn't get it yet. I'm gonna get it. Well, no, I'm not. Not because I don't play the Wii like that. I'm really not gonna get it like that. But I got Mario Party 8. I got Susan. Hold on, I was trying to kick my basketball back up the hill because I had to kick it from down there, and it was in that corner. Oh, mosquitoes! It was in that corner down there, as you see. But yeah, I will be showing you some videos of that. Super Smash Bros. Probably if you want to play it. My cousin want to play it. We might be doing. No, we don't have Super Mario, but what else? We might doing some bowling. We might. It depends on how he feel. It depends on all of this. It depends on how he feel and what he want to play. Cause it really don't matter to me. But yeah. See you in the next video.